What I do?
This is Miss Chloe trying to suck on her hand. Look at how good she's doing. She really wants to suck on her hand. She's being so cute. Look at her going. Oh, she's so cute. No. We love this baby. Yes, we do. She's got her hand up here because she's a little glamour girl. Oh, look at her going. She's being so cute.
I don't hate it, but I don't.
Oh. Say hi, Miss Chloe. Hi, Miss Chloe. Uh-oh. Time to call. Oh! 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 Bless you. There was a sneeze in there. Chloe's a little glamorous today. Got a little butterfly sleeper on, or onesie. Alright, Miss Chloe, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Miss Chloe.